guys, today we are at Bird Kingdom in Niagara Falls. This is the world's largest free-flying indoor aviary. Let's go inside. We're in the line to get some tickets. Okay guys, we got the tickets. Guys, we're starting. A lot of history here. A lot of history. Come on. Guys, look at these birds. These birds are called Filipino peach-faced lovebirds. Leopard turquoise. So cute. This is the bearded dragon. It's the red-crowned Amazon. Parrots. They're so beautiful. Come on, let's go. So beautiful. Let's look at some nocturnals. These are birds that look at night. These are poison arrow frogs. This is a ball python. Pythons are a type of snake that catch their prey by squeezing them tightly. Our Egyptian fruit bats. Guys, now we're outside. Oh, look! Oh, look at that. The birds here. So many birds. Okay guys, now I'm gonna feed a bird. If you come here, you should always be accompanied with an adult unless you are one. Let's go. Guys! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, hey, don't eat me! Don't eat me! Not like this! You're looking at me! This is so cool! No, I'm not being there. Anya, you better be ready for pictures. No. We're gonna put you on. So cool. To the parrot encounter. I believe we'll pet a parrot.
Okay, wait. Don't worry, I'm right here. I know this. Oh, she's getting.
That's amazing. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.